Hi, I'm Shayla Rivera. I have a degree in aerospace engineering from Texas A&M University. Whoop! I went to work for NASA, where I worked for the Space Shuttle and Space Station programs. ETSRB disposal was my first task. What is that? Well, we made sure that the solid rocket boosters fell somewhere on the Earth where we could find them, and we made sure that the external tank fell somewhere on the Earth that didn't hit anybody. Let me tell you about galaxies. Galaxies are mostly empty spaces with distances between the stars of about 30 trillion miles or so. So stars rarely bang into each other. So how then does a collision where nothing smashes together generate such havoc? Well, it's gravity that does the destruction. You know, kind of like when you're at the party and you see somebody across the room and you know you have to be together. And everybody knows this too, so as you make your way toward each other, everybody moves away. Well, galaxies are like that. Combined masses of the stars generate tides of energy that fling other stars thousands of light years away from each other in every direction. And then after about 100 million years or so, you end up with a bigger galaxy with stuff to make more stars and more new planets. Let me tell you about solar weather. It has a dramatic impact on Earth. And I don't mean just making us beautiful in the tan. I'm talking about beneath the surface. Massive currents of hot plasma, like traffic on the 405, create electrically charged ions and electrons. This generates, you guessed it, magnetism. Now the sun is covered with a web of magnetic fields. Sometimes the lines of these fields get all tangled up, they twist, they stretch, and then finally they explode, shooting energy upwards at temperatures of about 80 million degrees or so. I wouldn't tan that day. Now it gets worse. Sometimes that triggers a tremendous chain reaction. It's a titanic chain reaction, which we call a coronal mass ejection. Kind of like a heart attack of the sun. So there it is. I'm Shayla Rivera, and that's